Logan, the feisty dinosaur.
And I'm Eunice, the magical unicorn. This is our new school. Let's go inside. Let's go and check out our new classroom. Logan, are you okay? Let me try my unicorn magic spell. Hocus pocus presto!
Whoa, what happened?
Thank goodness you're okay. You hit your head on the door, but my unicorn magic spell made everything right.
Thanks, Eunice.
Thanks to the power of unicorn magic.
This door is too small for me.
No problem. I'll fix it.
Wow, you're amazing. Thank you.
No problem. Come on in.
Wow, this is such a cool classroom. But where is the teacher?
I have no idea. Logan, look!
What's this?
It looks like a treasure box. Let's open it.
Oh no, this is locked.
We need to find the key. It must be somewhere around.
Let's do it. I don't want to do this. There must be an easy way to find the key. Hey, why don't you use your unicorn magic to find the key?
I can only use my unicorn magic twice a day, so I cannot do it anymore.
Oh. Can I try the unicorn magic?
No, because you are not a unicorn.
But I am a really very smart dinosaur. I can learn magic quickly.
Really?
Yes. What was your magic spell? Ah, I remember. Hocus pocus presto!
Ouch! You bumped into my face.
Who are you?
My name is Buddy, and that's Buddy with an I, and I am your learning partner. I am here to help you.
Wow, a smart learning partner. That's awesome. Can you help us find the key to this treasure box?
Sure thing. Let me analyze the room first. I found it.
Really? Tell us where it is.
First, you promise that you will clean up the mess you've made.
Ugh, I don't want to do that.
Then I will not help you.
Hey, Logan, It's not very nice to make a mess in the classroom. We should clean it up. Okay, I promise to clean up the room. Now, give us a hint.
Good. You will find the missing key in a spider web. Go and find one.
I found the key! Yay!
Good job, Eunice. Now open the treasure box.
Oh, I am so excited! What's happening? I don't know.
Calm down, kids, and open your eyes. Does anyone know what these are? Have you heard of them before?
Yes, these are English alphabets. What are we going to do with these cards?
We'll make words and sentences with these letters. Are you ready?
Yes!
Good. Now stick these cards on the board. Now we have 26 different letters. Let's sing the alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That was fun!
Sure it was. Now can you tell me what the first letter is?
It's the letter A.
Well done. Now tell me what the last letter is.
It's the letter Z.
Good job. Letters are very important because they have different names and sounds, and we use them to make different words.
Words? What are they?
Words are made of different groups of letters that we put together in a special way so that they can describe things that we see around us or things that we do. Let's learn some words. First up, we have the word the. We make this word by joining the letter T with the letters H and E. Now, let's make another word. This one is of. We make it by joining the letter O with the letter F. Here's another word to learn. It's and. We make this word by joining the letter A with the letters N and D.
Cool! You have so much knowledge, buddy.
Yes, because I am your learning partner. Let's keep going. Next up, we have the word to. We make it by joining the letter T with
The letter O.
Awesome! You guys are picking this up quickly. The next word is in. We make it by joining the letter I with the letter N. The next word we'll learn is made of two letters, I and S. We call this word is. Now we'll learn the word it. We make it by replacing the letter S with the letter T. Next up, we have the word you. We make it by joining the letter Y with the letters O and U. This word is that. We make it by joining the letters T, H, A, and T together. See, you can make as many words as you like with only 26 letters.
That's so cool.
Can you make a few more words using those letters? Think of different things you see in the classroom.
Aha! I can do it. I made the word desk. D-E-S-K. Desk.
Well done! Logan, it's your turn now.
I made the word table.
Such a smart dinosaur you are. Now we're going to make sentences.
Sentences? What are they?
A sentence is a whole bunch of words put together so that it makes sense.
How is sentences different from words?
Good question. There are some spaces between the words in a sentence, and the words together tell us about something important. Look, here are 4 different words: the, box, table, and on. Can you make a sentence out of these?
Yes, you are talking about the treasure box. The box is on the table.
Excellent. Now, look at this group of words. It, is, of, and gold. Can you make a sentence out of these words?
It is made of gold.
Good job, Eunice. Can you make another sentence using the words this and that?
Sure. This is a table, and that is a wall clock.
Well done. Now, Logan, can you make a sentence using the words cupboard and crayons?
Yes, the crayons are in the cupboard.
Good job, kids. See, sentences can tell us so much about the world. It's so cool that we can put words together to make sentences, right?
Yes.
Let's try another one. How about using the words book, red, and big?
I have an idea. The big red book is on the desk.
Great job. Now let's make a sentence with the words door, green, and open.
I got it. The green door is open.
Fantastic. And how about using the words window, blue, and closed?
I know. The blue window is closed.
Very good. You guys are getting the hang of it. Now, let's make a sentence using the words pencil, yellow, and then.
I can do this one. The thin yellow pencil is in my hands.
Excellent work, Logan. Now, let's use the words chair, brown, and small to make a sentence.
I have one. The brown chair is very small.
You guys are amazing. Now, let's use the words marker and black to make a sentence.
The marker is black.
Great job, Logan. And finally, let's use the words bag and heavy to make a sentence.
I got it. My bag is very heavy.
You guys are fantastic learners. Keep it up. Oh, it's recess time.
Hurrah! I have brought pizza for lunch. What have you got, Eunice? I have a piece of red velvet cake and some sweet tea. Awesome! Let's go and have lunch. Sure.
Enjoy, kids. Come back after recess.
Okay, buddy.